What's up everyone, we're back with another video, and guys, today we're talking about crypto, but not just Bitcoin and Ethereum. We're going deeper than that. Today's video is all about uncovering those hidden crypto gems that nobody's talking about. These are the projects with the potential to explode, and I think they're worth having on your radar. We're diving into the world of lesser-known blockchains that could be the next big thing. Think of them as the up-and-coming artists in the music industry, the ones poised to become tomorrow's headliners. We'll break down what each blockchain does, why it's unique, and what kind of potential it holds. And of course, we'll be looking at their current trading prices, comparing them to more established players like Ripple, XRP, and Stellar, XLM. Because let's be real, understanding the numbers is crucial in the crypto game, right? So, if you're ready to explore the exciting world of hidden crypto gems, buckle up, smash that like button, and let's dive in. Our first hidden gem is Aptos, using the ticker symbol APT. Now, what makes Aptos interesting is its focus on scalability. The crypto space has long struggled with handling a large number of transactions quickly and affordably, which is something Aptos aims to solve. They're using a new programming language called Move, which is designed specifically for secure and scalable transactions. This means Aptos has the potential to handle a ton of transactions without slowing down or getting bogged down by high fees. Think of it like upgrading from a dial-up internet connection to fiber optic. That's the kind of speed and efficiency we're talking about. Now, as of right now, APT is trading at $5.31 USD, while XRP sits at $2.02 USD and XLM is at $0.025 USD. It's important to remember that past performance isn't indicative of future results, and this isn't financial advice, but Aptos' focus on scalability could make it a very intriguing project to keep an eye on. Next up we have Celestia, trading under the ticker symbol TIA. Now, Celestia is doing something really interesting called data availability. Essentially, it's like creating a super efficient filing system for blockchains. Imagine a blockchain like a library full of books, with each book representing a transaction. Celestia acts like a librarian, ensuring that all the books are in the right place and easily accessible. This makes the whole system faster, cheaper, and more efficient. This is particularly important for scaling up blockchains because it means they don't have to store as much data on-chain. As of today, TIA is trading at $3.04 USD compared to XRP at $2.02 and XLM at $1.25 USD. Again, remember that this is not financial advice and you need to do your own research, but Celestia's unique approach to data management makes it a fascinating contender in the blockchain space. Chapter 3, Kaspa KS, the Speed Demon. Now let's talk about Kaspa, using the ticker symbol KS. If there's one word to describe Kaspa, it's fast. I'm talking about blazingly fast transaction speeds. We're talking about potentially processing thousands of transactions per second. Kaspa achieves this through something called a block DAG structure, which is different from the traditional blockchain structure. Instead of adding blocks one after another, Kaspa allows for multiple blocks to be added simultaneously, creating a more efficient and scalable system. Currently, KS is trading at $0.065 USD, while XRP is at $2.02 USD, and XLM is at 25 cents USD. It's crucial to remember that the crypto market is incredibly volatile, and this is not financial advice. Do your own research, but Kaspa's speed and innovative structure make it a project worth watching. Chapter 4, Aleph Zero, Azero, Privacy and Security First. The next hidden gem on our list is Aleph Zero, trading as Azero. Now, privacy and security are becoming increasingly important in the world of crypto, and that's where Aleph Zero shines. This blockchain utilizes something called a ZK SNARKs technology, which allows for transactions to be verified without revealing the details of the transaction itself. It's like being able to send a sealed envelope without anyone, not even the mailman, knowing what's inside. At this moment, Azero is trading at $0.074 USD. It's important to note that investing in crypto carries risk, and past performance is not indicative of future results. However, Aleph Zero's focus on privacy and security could make it a key player in the future of decentralized finance. Chapter 5, SEI, built for trading. Finally, let's talk about SEI, which trades under the ticker symbol SEI. SEI is a blockchain specifically designed for decentralized exchanges, or DEX. DEX are becoming increasingly popular because they offer a more secure and transparent way to trade cryptocurrencies. SEI aims to be the go-to blockchain for building high-performance DEX. It offers fast transaction speeds, low fees, and a robust infrastructure that can handle a large volume of trades. As of today, SEI is trading at 17 cents USD, niche focus on DeFi and high-frequency trading. Fast and unique, but needs dApp traction. Verdict: interesting bet if DeFi trading surges again. It's essential to conduct your own research, and remember that the crypto market is highly speculative. But SEI's specialization in decentralized finance could make it a significant player in the years to come. So, there you have it guys, 5 hidden crypto gems that have the potential to make some serious waves in the crypto world. These projects are all doing innovative things, and they're definitely worth keeping an eye on. Remember though, this is not financial advice. Do your own research, understand the risks, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. The crypto market is a wild ride, but with the right knowledge and a bit of luck, you never know what kind of returns you might see. That's it for today's video. If you found this information helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let us know in the comments which blockchain you think has the most potential. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.